Namaskar. Today we are going to study about adductor canal. Adductor canal is also called subsartorial canal or Hunter's canal. Adductor canal is an intermuscular space situated on medial side of middle 1/3 part of thigh. In this video you can see this is medial side of thigh and this is area of adductor canal. Here adductor canal overlapped by sartorius muscle. And this is adductor longus muscle and this is sartorius muscle, and here this is apex of femoral triangle. Superiorly adductor canal open in apex of femoral triangle. After reflecting sartorius muscle, we will get fibrous membrane. It forms medial wall or roof of adductor canal. It is diagram of cross-cut section at level of upper part of adductor canal, and this is fibrous roof or medial wall of adductor canal, and here it overlapped by sartorius muscle. Between sartorius muscle and fibrous roof, here subsartorial plexus. Subsartorial plexus formed by branches of anterior branch of obturator nerve, branches of medial cutaneous nerve of thigh, and branches of saphenous nerve. After removing fibrous membrane, here you can see contents and other boundaries of adductor canal. This is adductor magnus muscle. Here this is tendon of adductor magnus muscle. Here is opening in tendon of adductor magnus muscle. This opening is called adductor hiatus. Adductor canal extends from apex of femoral triangle to adductor hiatus. This is cross-cut section at level of upper part of adductor canal. This is femur. This is adductor canal. Adductor canal is triangular in shape in cross-cut section and it has got three boundaries. This is anterolateral boundaries. This is posteromedial boundaries. And this is medial boundary or roof of adductor canal. First we will see anterolateral boundary of adductor canal. This is vastus medialis muscle. It forms anterolateral boundary of adductor canal. Here it attaches at the medial aspect of femur. Now posteromedial boundary. Posteromedial boundary formed by adductor longus muscle. This is adductor longus muscle. In this cross-cut section you can see this is adductor longus muscle. In the lower part of adductor canal, this is adductor magnus muscle form posterior medial boundary. This is adductor canal. Here in upper part of adductor canal, posterior medial boundary formed by adductor longus muscle. In the lower part of adductor canal, posterior medial boundary formed by adductor magnus muscle. Now roof of adductor canal. Roof of adductor canal formed by fibrous membrane and it overlapped by sartorius muscle. Now content of adductor canal. This is femoral artery. It enters in canal through apex of femoral triangle. This is femoral artery and this is femoral vein, and femoral artery here lies medial to femoral vein. And this is saphenous nerve, arises from posterior division of femoral nerve. It runs downward and medially enters in adductor canal. In adductor canal it crosses femoral artery. This is femoral artery. In adductor canal it crosses femoral artery anteriorly, and in the lower part of adductor canal it pierces fibrous membrane and runs downward and forward. In lower part of adductor canal, femoral artery gives a branch. This branch is called descending genicular branch. Here you can see descending genicular branch, and it gives branch. That branch is called saphenous artery. Here saphenous artery runs along with saphenous nerve. Now next content. Next content is nerve to vastus medialis. It runs lateral to femoral artery and gives no supply to vastus medialis muscle. Next content is posterior division of obturator nerve. This is posterior division of obturator nerve. It runs between adductor longus and magnus, and in lower part of adductor canal it runs along with femoral artery. Here in this video you can see this is anterior division of obturator nerve, and here it takes part in formation of subsartorial plexus. This is diagram of cross-cut section at the upper part of adductor canal. In the content of adductor canal, here you can see this is femoral artery and this is femoral vein. Femoral vein lies inferior to femoral artery. This is anterior division of obturator nerve and this is posterior division of obturator nerve. Anterior division of obturator nerve giving branch to subsartorial plexus, and posterior division of obturator nerve runs between adductor longus muscle and adductor magnus muscle. This is saphenous nerve. It lies anterolateral aspect of femoral artery. Here it crosses femoral artery anteriorly. This is nerve to vastus medialis. This is vastus medialis muscle, and this is nerve to vastus medialis. and it runs lateral to femoral artery, and here it gives nerve supply to vastus medialis muscle. In the lower part of adductor canal, in lower part here, saphenous nerve pierces fibrous membrane and posterior division of obturator nerve becomes thin and continue as genicular branch of obturator nerve. Here it runs along with femoral artery. Femoral vein lies more lateral to femoral artery. Here in lower part of adductor canal, femoral artery gives descending genicular artery. Descending genicular artery divides into branches. This is superficial branch and this is deep muscular branch. Superficial branch of descending genicular artery is called saphenous artery. Here it runs along with saphenous nerve. Thank you so much for watching this video.